They work for Disney.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're done with downtown Disney.
It only took us like what, 3 hours?
It took us a bajillion hours.
Thanks to 2 people.
I'm sorry.
This one
We were shopping.
and this one.
We spent collectively like a lot of money.
My bus is here.
Oh, it's
no.
here?
Yeah. It's Oh right God.
I love you.
I love you too.
We're
Say goodbye to
so much.
Kaisha.
I'll
Bye,
see you guys.
Kaisha.
Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Kaisha.
everybody have
It's
fun.
because of
Best
Kai
trip
Kai
ever.
that we had this trip.
I'll be home in May.
Bye, Kaisha.
Yay.
We love you.
Bye.
Bye. She's leaving, and we're sad.
The worst part of the trip. Like
part.
leaving Disney World for the last time was really, really bad, but this is the worst part.
This is the worst part.
And now we have to drive 9 hours home. We started laughing and guys just looked back and she's just like,
I'm sorry. Oh. That sent me into silent laughter, y'all.
I came from nowhere. Oh crap, you got it on video too.
Oh God. Oh my gosh. Oh, Alex just burped and it was the best thing ever.
Oh, that's melting.
Thank you. Thank you for bringing some levity, Alex.
I'm the comedic relief of the group is what I am.
Oh, my tummy hurts from laughing. Bye. Bye.
Oh, we'll probably take another one on the way back.
Yeah.
After we have
Yeah.
a 9-hour trip.